Good morning, campers. Welcome back. This is Miss Jackson, and today we are going to make a treasure map. So it is Adventure Week, and if you take out this kit includes paper. Mine is green, yours may be yellow or blue. We are going to do number 2 today, where it says treasure map. And the only piece of arts and craft material that you will need today is your brown construction paper that was given to you in your kit. Now, if you have a set of permanent markers, go ahead and take those out as well. If you don't, that's okay. If you have washable markers, you can use those as well. So I'm going to be using both to make a treasure map. So a treasure map leads you to a special or secretive place. So I want you to first think about something that you can hide, and you want to make a treasure map of where that special item is in your house. And you can play this with your siblings, or you can make a treasure map of your house or your neighborhood, whatever you want to make a treasure map of. Just make it interesting, fun, and hard to find. So you want to start off with an X to represent where this particular item will be. So I'm going to make an X. Alrighty, and I just want to make mine a little bit more even there. So here's my X. Then I want to start off by just making a path. Okay, I'm just making little rectangles, squares. They don't have to be big, they don't have to be small. Whatever size you want, this is going to be your path. So I suggest you do the path first, and then you can go in and place everything where you want it to be. Okay, so remember, a treasure map gives directions, okay, to something special that you have hidden. And if any of you have seen Peter Pan, you know, Captain Hook is always trying to find that treasure. Even if you've seen Aladdin, there was a treasure, hidden treasure in the movie Aladdin as well. So somebody is always trying to find what is being hidden. Okay, so I'm just about finished. And when you're drawing this, you don't want to draw it too close to the edge. If you notice, I'm not too close to the edge because we are going to have to rip our edges off once we get to the end. All right, so here is my path, okay? And like I said, a treasure map gives you direction. So first we want to draw a compass, okay? A compass gives direction north, east, south, and west. So that's our north, and I'm just drawing little triangles here, little thin triangles to represent my compass. Small, thin triangles. 4 of them. I'm gonna need 4 of them. Okay, so we have north, east, south with an S, and we are abbreviating here: north, east, south, and west. So that's our compass. And that is the directions where whoever is searching would need to follow to travel to find your special item. So the X for me is going to be my treasure box. But first I'm going to start off by making some simple decorations on my treasure map. So I'm going to make a tree, and you could draw whatever you want to draw in your treasure map. Just make some trees here. Okay. Then I'm gonna make some mountains over here. Add some streets for your mountains. Okay. And I'm gonna make a little lake right here. Some water. I'm gonna add a duck or chicken. A little baby chick. And I'm gonna put a little wall here. Like I said, your treasure map could be whatever you want it to be. You can add whatever decorations you want to add to your treasure map. This is my little wall here. And I'm gonna go in and color everything at the end. I'm gonna add a little road here. Okay, a little gas station right here with just a rectangle. And then smaller rectangle there. Bring that out. Okay, and you can add whatever you want to add to your map. I'm gonna put some flowers down here. A little stem. Leaf, grass, and then I'm gonna add a car traveling on this road. Okay. And last, which I'm gonna save for last, is my treasure chest. So before I make my treasure chest, I'm going to take the time and color in all of my little decorations. Okay, so here's my tree. And this is where I suggest you use washable markers, because we're gonna end up using water at the end here. So just color in everything that you have made. And like I said, you don't have to make the same thing that I made. You want to make a treasure map to whatever you're trying to hide that you don't want nobody to find. But you can play a game with your siblings. You can even play it with your parents. All right, so I colored in my trees there. I'm gonna put some green grass down here. And color my car blue. Okay. Then I'm gonna get a yellow for my duck up here. Color my little chicken, little ducky duck. Color him in, or her, yellow. And like I said, you could color whatever you want to color. It doesn't matter, it's up to you. And I'm gonna do my wall now. Wall up here. Okay, and then I want to color in my lake or my little pond. Just gonna color that blue, not too dark. Oops. Don't color in the chick, little baby chicken. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's just a fun activity. So now I'm done adding all of my decorations to my map. The very last thing and the most fun part I like is drawing the treasure map. Now this can be very intense, so make sure you are paying attention. All right, so here's my treasure map is actually gonna go over my X. There. Okay. This treasure map is very intense, but you don't have to make yours look like mine. You make yours look however you want. Inside here. And like I said, it's okay if everything overlaps. And I'm gonna put my lockbox here. Circles there, and then I'm going to add my jewels. Okay, and I'm just actually going to put little dots in here to represent whatever it is that's inside my treasure box, and you could put whatever you want. If you want to draw something special, that's cool. And I am going to write on top of here, treasure. Then you want to make a starting point. So this is where your treasure ends. This is where they find whatever it is you're hiding. And wherever your starting point is, you want to write the word start. So my starting point is going to be right here. So I'm gonna write start up there. So now this is our map. Our treasure map is complete. Now we wanna actually make it look like a treasure map. So go and find a piece of paper towel or napkin. Get a piece of paper towel or napkin, and you're gonna wet it slightly. So I'm gonna go get a wet paper towel. All right, so before we wet up our treasure map, quickly tear some edges off, okay? So it'll look a little raggedy. You know, treasure maps, sometimes they look burnt, but we are not going to burn our edges. We're just gonna tear them off. And it doesn't have to be completely all over the paper. So that's enough. I'm gonna tear these edges off here. Like I said, it doesn't have to be the whole thing, it could just be a few. And it doesn't have to be even. All right. All right, so now we're gonna take our wet paper towel and just wipe your paper, not really wiping it off, but just putting some water on it. And you're gonna do that to both sides of the paper. Some people use tea bags, but water and paper towel is fine, okay? Then we wanna take this, shake it off just a little bit, and then we're gonna ball it up. Ball it up. And then you're going to unball it, and you're going to let it dry, okay? You're gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes. And then when we come back, your treasure map should be dried and look just like a treasure map. Okay, thank you all for participating today. I hope you enjoy making your treasure map of whatever your hidden treasure is, and I will see you next time. Bye. Don't forget, believe in yourself.